In this video, I will talk about the chain rule. What do you do when there is a function inside of a function, or a function inside of a function inside of a function, or a function inside of a function inside? You get the idea. Chain rule says that if y equals f of g of x, then the derivative is f prime with g of x on the inside, unchanged, pristine. Then you take the derivative of g and stick it on the outside. Don't let that g of x collapse on the inside. It has to stay fluffy with the g prime on the outside. What if you have f of g of h? Well, same thing. You just keep going. You got f prime leaving all that crap in the middle. Then you have to pull out the g of stuff, and you have g prime of that stuff, and then at the very end, you'll pull out the h prime. Let's look at an example. So I have x squared plus 3 to the 10th. You want to think of this as crap to the 10th, right? And you're going to do the power rule, pull the 10 out front, so then you've got 10 crap to the 9th, and then you've got d crap on the end. So for this one, I have 10 times x squared plus 3 to the 9th, and then I pull out the derivative of the inside and put it on the outside. Here's another example. We have y equals the square root of x squared plus 9. We're going to rewrite that to make our life a little bit easier as x squared plus 9 to the 1/2. So I've got x squared plus 9 on the inside, and the whole thing is raised to the 1/2. So I'm going to pull the 1/2 out front, leave the inside alone, then pull out its guts on the outside, and multiply by 2x. And the power rule, 1/2 minus 1 gives me negative 1/2. Let me do one more example. Suppose you have sine of tan of cosine. Oh my God, not only do we have a function inside of a function inside of a function, but they're all trig. Relax. We can handle this. We have cosine of crap, then pull out its derivative. Derivative of tan of something is secant squared of that thing. Now the last step is to deal with the cosine. The derivative of cosine is negative sine. The best way to learn this is to practice, and we will try to practice a lot in class. And that turned out to be a short video. Short but sweet. You're welcome.